Hello everyone, welcome to the next part. I think this is the second part of the rooms update video. Oh god, I've forgotten to bring the Hoover. That was what I was supposed to do. Anyway, let me show you what's going on right now in this upstairs room. Okay, so the area that used to be a table slash desk sort of situation with loads of stuff under it, yeah, is now no more with a table here. I need to get the Hoover to obviously clean up this horrific dust. God, that looks absolutely horrendous. And yeah, we are getting there though. I mean, there is a lot of my stuff everywhere, but I think when this thing here goes into place, which is what I mean to say is moving that table thing downstairs and then swapping the Lego containers with it, that'll be a really good step forward. So let's do that now. How much of a joke am I that I didn't even take any footage of the last time the display was here? Like, how much of a joke am I? I was like, yeah, I might as well just do it now. Boom. And now it's gone. This thing that has pleased passers-by for years and years. We hear people like screaming outside, getting all excited. There is still a little bit in the windowsill, including this Thor bit, but yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to be doing with that just yet, but yeah, now I'm going to move these upstairs, I guess, is the next part. Okay guys, we're getting there. 50% of these have now been carried upstairs over the course of the last 4 hours. For 4 or 5 hours I've been cooking dinner and then yeah, just taking breaks. I haven't been actively doing it, guys. I've cooked dinner, had dinner, and we've been chilling out. Like, Claire's back now, so yeah, anyway, right, on with the next portion of this. Okay, I'm not sure what the sort of last thing I filmed was in the downstairs room, but here's like a quick look at it now. There's like random boxes with like, this is actually sets that I want to move upstairs into the Marvel display upstairs. There's stuff that I need to sort out down here and just like figure out where some of this stuff is going. Jesus Christ, I just realised that thing is now buckling. Yeah, I need to sort out all of this corner. Actually, I'll probably do that this weekend. Still not sure exactly what's happening with this. Probably staying at least for the time being, just so that we can at least get in here. You can now see the window display probably a bit more clearly. And yeah, look at that's pure sun damage on that, on Thor's cape. That's interesting. Anyway, yeah, there's the moment that he touches down in Wakanda. Have these been sun damaged? They have actually held up fairly well. I think they probably do look a little sun damaged, but it looks like they've held up reasonably well. But yeah, and then there's also a nice helicarrier display there. Right, anyway, yeah, I'm basically kicking over lids. There's like sets to dismantle down here as well. Basically, guys, I am going to wrap up this video fairly soon. I will show you the upstairs. Has this been part 2? It's quite hard to keep track of. Yeah, let me show you the upstairs. Actually, I came literally downstairs to grab my shoes because I've had these shoes for absolutely ever, but I need to relace them and get some elastic laces in there. Anyway, before I do that, here is the latest update of the upstairs room. A lot of shelving sort of space here to actually fill in, so that's good. Can do that with random knickknacks. The main thing that I'm happy with is that I have changed the order of the colours of these drawers. So it looks much neater now, and it's just actually a nicer thing to look at. And then here's where basically the main Marvel display will be. Haven't sorted out any of this yet, so this is all like either to dismantle or clean or whatever. Haven't yet decided what I'm doing with some of these sections yet. But yeah, probably give it a nice big redesign, save some space, dismantle some stuff. And then here is my action figure section. So there's all my unopened ones that will join the display very soon. There's a shelf there that obviously needs to be arranged. But other than that, we're getting on really well. Getting on really well now. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and there will actually be a slight tweak in the next episode. It will be somewhat of an experiment. I'm going to see if, now that I've figured out how to edit higher file size files by creating a video proxy, for anyone who cares about the technical side of it, I'm going to see if I can kick these videos up to 30 frames per second, because they don't look good on 24 frames. So there will be some differences. It'll probably be a bit of a test next episode. So join us then. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you then.